and welcome to our next Innovaphone myApps tutorial. In this video, we will show you how you can toggle between two calls using the phone app or the Softphone app. See how you can switch between two calls and how you can start a consultation without ending the current phone call. A phone call has already been established, and now you announce that you will need to consult someone else. Click onto the button Start Consultation. Using the search field, you can either look for the destination or you can enter the destination number directly. By clicking onto the green handset symbol, the call will be established. You also have the option to directly select one of your favorites, or you can click onto a number from recent calls that have been saved in your call history. Your first call has been put on hold, and this contact will now hear recorded music. Once you have talked to or consulted with the second call, you can switch back to the first call. In order to do so, click onto the hold button with a blue background displayed with the first call. This will activate the first call again and place the consultation call on hold. You can switch between these two calls as often as you please, so-called toggling. Simply activate the call that is currently on hold. In order to finish the consultation call, simply press the red button with the handset symbol. This will end the second call and you will only remain connected with the first call. Many thanks for watching and see you next time.